Michael, today we have seen that all BJP top leaders are coming in Bardez only. What do you see the reason?
Bardez people have lost faith on BJP MLAs, earlier BJP MLAs. They have lost faith. Whether it is Mapsa, Aldona, be it Sholim, the ex-MLA, be it Saligaon, Jayesh, who have switched sides, and Rohan Gaunde. They have lost faith on them. And people are looking out for a change. And the change is coming. The winds have already started blowing very hard. And when the winds come, everything, all the leaves, the dried leaves fall. So it's a quite a strong wind. All the dry leaves will fall down and the new leaves will come. And this is the Congress party which is going to emerge in entire Bardez.
Yesterday you made a comment that because they are losing all the seats, they are getting all the top leaders from Delhi.
But they cannot change now. What are they going to tell? What are they going to tell? Why we have invited you? When the leader asks why you have lost ground in Bardez, are they going to say we sold jobs? Is the chief minister and the party going to tell that we have sold jobs? Is the chief minister going to say that my administration became a failure because there was a super chief minister controlling me? There are so many issues. We have not listened to the people's voice for the last 3 years. Is the chief minister going to tell that? We didn't listen to the people's voice.
Yesterday you made a statement saying that recruitment scam and job scam, everything will be investigated by your new government.
100% we will investigate the recruitment scam, especially the scam which has come up of the PWD, where High Court has taken cognizance of that. High Court has issued notices. Chief Minister has simply put up a committee just to show the High Court that we have put up a committee of investigation headed by some secretary level people of the government. So they are only trying to eyewash all this investigation. Nothing is going to come out of this investigation. So we will see that we will scrap those jobs and investigation will continue who had taken the money.
When you were in the government, did you raise this issue?
100% I am the only one who raised the issue to the chief minister, to the party, that you all have sold the jobs. We have not got any jobs. All those people who had applied from Calangute constituency, nobody got. But one person got, but he paid 35 lakhs. When I called him that congratulations, you got the job. No sir, I paid money. We have taken this. We have kept the gold in the bank and we gave the money. So who has taken the money? Yeah, is Deepak Pavaskar the scapegoat in this? Gali ka bakra, kato usko.
So you say Deepak Pavaskar has not taken the money and somebody else has taken and...
He must have sold not more than 12 to 14 jobs. So, remaining all sold by chief minister and the party. So let the investigation happen and let the money be recovered. Let the money, whoever has paid the money, let them take that money back.
Okay. Finally, how many seats do you think the BJP will get in Bardez?
Not even one.
So you are saying zero?
Huh? Zero.
You are including
people have decided that BJP should sit in opposition and all the MLAs, ex-MLAs and present new MLAs contesting on BJP should be losing their deposit also in some of the constituencies, including Kalangut.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Michael Bob.
Michael Lobo.